Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm deep in the heart of winter at Arrowhead Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada, and the mission is simple. Strap on the cross-country skis, glide through world-class trails and ski my way to a frozen waterfall. Let's go. Arrowhead is famous for winter adventures, and today I'm using its incredible Nordic trail system to ski a few kilometers out to Stubb's Falls Bridge. Crisp air, squeaky snow, and that peaceful winter silence. After a few solid kilometers on the skis, I reached the bridge overlooking Stubb's Falls, and wow. Heading down carefully, because winter gravity is undefeated, I arrive at the falls themselves. Stubb's Falls in winter is unreal. Ice builds up in layers, blue and white, while the river keeps charging underneath. It's powerful, frozen, loud, and beautiful all at once. Nature reminding us who's really in charge out here. From world-class ski trails to a frozen waterfall payoff, Arrowhead Provincial Park absolutely delivers in winter. If you love adventure, fresh air, and places that make you stop and say wow, then put Arrowhead on your winter bucket list. Thanks for coming along on this snowy adventure. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe for more outdoor fun, and I'll see you on the next wild adventure.